This is a Gemini tarot reading. Today we're going to use different oracle decks and tarot decks to see what it is that you need to know right now. And my intention for this reading is for the messages to be for the Geminis that come across this video. So let's see what we have for you. What is it that Geminis need to know? King of Wands reversed. Eight of Pentacles reversed. Let's get one more. And Ace of Wands reversed. Interesting. I'm feeling like there's a fire within you that really wants to be let out right now. And you know, we have the Hangman showing up on the bottom as well. So you could be taking some sort of pause or reflection and assessing this lion type of energy, this strength and this fiery part of yourself that you feel like you might want to stand up for what you know is right, or really put the effort in here. It's like if you put the effort in to a certain project or idea, it's going to set you on this new journey here. And I'm getting that phrase, it's, what is it? An idea whose time has come cannot be stopped. So let's just see what else this could be about here. Gemini. Illumination. Action, yeah. And we have freedom showing up. So you also have focus. There is something that feels like if you just set fire to this small thing, it's going to just light up your path and kind of pave the way just from initiating it. So you could be having a, sorry, my kitten just climbed up the back of the chair. It's like she's giving another message, like, just go for it. And we have action, so take those actions that you need, and if you really put the effort in, it's going to really expand. And I'm hearing these birds outside right now that I've never heard before, and it's like we have the birds here also. So tune into your own song and your own frequency here that only you can channel. I want to get some more info, so let's see what other messages we can get for you, Gemini. It's like there's a path. We have Ten of Swords reversed. It's like there's a path that didn't exist before and it does now. Is just the feeling I'm getting. And we have, oh my God. Okay, both of those, this is just beautiful. Okay, let me start. Ten of Swords reversed. It's like you are done feeling like this, like you have to have all of these sudden endings, and you're getting out of this type of energy where you thought something would work out and all of a sudden it's just not what you expected. So you have this message that really wants to come through now. And it could have to do with your intellect or creativity. It's like you're the messenger here. And taking action on something that's coming from within you, I feel like that is going to lead to this freedom. And you have the Two of Cups showing up with the Ace of Cups. This could be a brand new relationship with someone that feels like you're equal. And there's a mutual love and respect and appreciation, and it's like your cup is overflowing here with new beginnings, with abundance, with emotional freedom as well. So I want to get one from this deck. This is just a really beautiful reading. I'm almost kind of in shock here. Gemini. You have harmony. You are creating this harmony right now. And if you don't see it immediately, it's like it's definitely on the way if you just walk through that doorway. We even have these birds again right here. You've created this pathway that just calls for more freedom and more individuality and calling in the right people who are meant to walk with you right now. Let's see what other message wants to come through for the Geminis that came across my new channel. You have Sandpiper Spirit. I think you had this one last time. Be playful. So we have another bird showing up, and you know, Geminis are very playful and communicative. And now Ina is climbing my guitar case. Alright, so let's get one more message, and I want to use this deck. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my new channel so other people can find this message. And we have the Full Moon Temple. Celebration, peak, transcendent moment. So it's just like she was just climbing to the top of the guitar case and climbing the chair. It's like you're at this peak moment where you can see everything now, and there's like this culmination of everything you've been putting work into, and you're really celebrating how far you've come and the doorways that you've created that didn't even exist before. So I'm going to leave it at that, and If you would like to support the channel or my endeavors, you can get a Winged Mermaid journal. And I have one here I've been designing, so I also have all of the zodiac signs, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.